Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the last one of these boxes, and it is the DC Legion of Collectors box. So this box is a box that was issued by Funko directly. They have several of these boxes. It's an every other month box, so this is the March box, and basically it's the last box because according to Funko, they sent out an email blast to all the subscribers, and they posted it on their social media that they're discontinuing the subscription service, but they're still going to offer these boxes through retail. I don't really know what that means. A lot of people don't know what that means. We're assuming it's going to be similar to when GameStop has like the Black Friday boxes, and those are available for purchase in store, or like, well, I don't think you can order those online, but you have to go in store, purchase them, and you get what you get. So I think that's what they're gonna do with these Funko subscription boxes. So the DC Legion of Collectors, the Smuggler's Bounty, which is the Star Wars themed one. Then they have the Marvel Collector Core, Marvel, and I think they also have Disney Treasures. So I'm not sure what stores are going to get the boxes, if they're all going to go to the same store or different stores, etc. But as of right now, I was subscribed for a whole year for the DC Legion of Collectors, and this is the last box. So the theme of this box was Green Lantern Corps. So I'm not very familiar with the Green Lantern Corps. I know what the Green Lanterns are. I know kind of what their powers are, etc. I know about the horrible, horrible movie that Ryan Reynolds did before he became the amazing Deadpool. But I don't really know. I've never read any comics or anything really focusing on the Green Lantern. So hopefully I can kind of get, what everything in the box is about. But this is the last box. It's kind of bittersweet because this was my favorite. But we'll see what happens. Maybe in retail, if it goes to a store like Hot Topic, maybe, or I don't even know which other ones. The other ones are all like pretty much crap, trying to get stuff in store. Who knows? We'll see. All right, enough jibber jabber. I'm not going to link it below because there's nothing to link to. You cannot order this box any longer. I think there might have been a link. I'll actually link Funko directly because I think they were selling boxes on the Funko shop. If you just wanted to pick one up, but I don't remember seeing DC Legion of Collectors, but it might be there. So I'll just link Funko. You can't get the subscription anymore because it is no longer available. So let's open this up. Open up the box. This is what you see. All right. There's usually a wearable. Generally a t-shirt. Sometimes they'll try to change it up and put like socks or something. Clearly we got a t-shirt, thankfully. Alright, so this is pretty cool. The boxes were always fun. You can see there, it's like a little comic book kind of strip thing. That looks really cool. All Green Lantern. Alright, so let's just go in order of what we see. So the first thing out is the t-shirt. Let's get it out of the plastic. Alright, and we have... Alright, and this is a men's medium. Yep, men's medium. And there we go. We have the Green Lanterns. I guess different iterations of him. I'm not really sure who they are. I know one of them is Hal Jordan, but I don't know who the other two are. It's a nice shirt. It's not a pop shirt, so like the actual design does not look like Funko Pops. I do like the Funko Pop shirt, the pop shirts, but sometimes it is nice that they include just actual like cartoon animated, like comic book style art. Okay, wow. All right, so we have a couple of small items here. We'll take those out first. Oh, cute. We got some pint-sized heroes. All right, so we have Hal Jordan and Sinestro, and they're in a cute little package. So there's a close-up. You can see the pint-sized heroes. It has the little sticker, DC Legion of Collectors exclusive. And there you see Hal Jordan and Sinestro. They're so cute. I like that Sinestro has an angry look, because usually the pint-sized heroes look so happy, but this is really cute. He's like pissed, which is he's the villain, I'm assuming. Next up we have I don't know, a lantern. It looks like a green lantern. So we have a little lantern, and it's squishy. All right, so it's like a stress lantern. That's kind of different. You just put it like that. Has a little fake handle, and it looks like it's lit up, but it's not. And it's just like to squeeze and get the stress out. Dang, it's really hard though. You really get in those muscles, work it out. That's pretty cool. I like that. And again, you know, these are all like licensed items. Okay, and then the last item is the biggest, and we have a 3-pack. Look at that. So we have Chip, which is the squirrel, I think. Guy Gardner with the bowl cut, and Kilowog over here. So they're all Green Lanterns. I know they're part of the Green Lantern Corps, because I know that throughout the galaxy they have tons of Green Lanterns that protect the universe, and they all like draw. They have the rings, and the rings help them draw from like the energy, the Green Lantern force energy, whatever. I'm not sure what the history is or where that energy comes from, because like I said, I'm not familiar with the Green Lantern mythos. But I do know enough to know that there's several Green Lanterns, and not all of them are human. They're from different planets, so alien species. You know, pretty much anyone can become a Green Lantern to protect their sector of the universe. So this is really cool. A little close-up of it. I don't think we've ever gotten a 3-pack before, so this is really nice. I like that a lot. The back, you see there's a planet in distress, I guess. I don't know. The Green Lantern Corps to the rescue. So that's pretty cool. I wish I knew more about it, because I think I'd be more excited, because 3-packs are usually really cool. But I don't know that much about the Green Lanterns. Okay, so that's everything that was in our box. You can see the comic theme goes throughout the whole box, which is pretty nice. I do like the box. I'm not really familiar with it, but in general, it's very collectible. They're limited, you know, exclusive items in the box. I guess like if I had to say, my favorite item is probably the pint-sized heroes, because they're so cute. I'm sure the 3-pack is worth a lot more. Like, that's the value of the box right there. But I'm just not into Green Lantern that much. So, you know, I'll hold on to it, you know, see how the value goes. I might use it for trade, you know, get pops that I want more, etc. But overall, it's really cool. I do like the box. So I'm looking forward to seeing where it goes to retail. Hopefully it's a store that's easily accessible to me and that has good stocking capabilities. Because some stores, you know, they're close by, but they don't really stock new products, or if they do, it's very limited shelf space, so they don't put a lot out, and it's very hard to get things unless you're willing to go there and stand in line. And when it comes to pops and stuff like that, I'm too old to be standing outside, like, overnight, camping out and stuff like that. Like, it's not that serious. If it is for you, great, more power to you. Get me one. I'll reimburse you. But, yeah, for me, no, not gonna happen. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. You know, some of the boxes are still ongoing, you know, depending on their release schedule. So I think there's still one more Marvel Collector Corps box, which is the Justice League, you hear me? Infinity War box. And then there's also, I think, like 2 or 3 more Smuggler's Bounty. We already did the last Disney Treasures box, so that's pretty much done. And I think they are going to send out, for those who did the annual subscription, like I did the annual for the DC Collector Corps, I'm going to get like a little trophy or a little medallion, something as a anniversary 1-year subscriber gift. So I haven't heard anything about that. I did get an email saying that it would be coming, so we'll see when that comes. Maybe I'll do a quick little video to show you guys what I got. But as it is, you know, it's not like you could get it anymore because they're getting rid of the subscription. So yeah. Like I said, I'm going to link Funko down below. You can go check it out. They might have these boxes, you know, as a one-off. I believe it's about $35 plus tax and everything. So feel free to purchase any if you're interested. I think they have older boxes as well if there's something that catches your eye. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. What did you like about the box? Are you into the Green Lantern? You know, is there anything extra awesome that I missed about these because I'm not familiar with them? Let me know. So, if you like my channel, if you like my content, hit the like button, click the subscribe, and let me know you're out there. Bye bye for now.